SmartThings Cooking is catered to you. Find personalised recipes and create plans using food you already have. You can even add the ingredients straight to your shopping basket. Not only does it make things easier to manage in regards to shopping and meal planning, but it also helps you hone your skills in the kitchen. To get the most out of your SmartThings Cooking, you'll need to input your preferences including dietary needs, favourite cuisines and ingredients, all of which help you shape your recommendations. It gives you personalised recipes based on the preferences you selected during setup, plus what's trending. You can also choose recipes based on what food you have left or choose from a collection to suit your mood. When you find one you fancy, you can save it or add it to a meal plan. You get the step-by-step instructions, as well as the ability to scale the recipe to the number of servings you need. You can add the ingredients to your shopping list or even directly to your shopping basket. The meal planner can give you an auto-generated weekly meal plan to help out whoever's cooking. You can completely tailor it to suit different lifestyles, and everyone in the same household can see the meal plan. It's easy to manage the foods you have in the food list. It tells you when you added each item and when they're due to expire. You have the option to add ingredients from recipes straight to your shopping list, which can then be added to the online basket of selected supermarkets. Swiping left takes you to the next step of the recipe. Or you can send a recipe to a connected oven. This will send over the required cooking settings such as the time and temperature, which are automatically applied to the oven. There's even the option for step-by-step audio to guide you while you cook. SmartThings Cooking makes it easy to keep on top of things at home.